Hello everyone, we have compiled a list of new and affordable machines that can be used to start a profitable business serving a variety of markets. These machines can provide unique services and attract a steady stream of customers. Additional links for each device are provided in the description below. Let's go. xTool M1 Smart Laser. The xTool M1 Smart Laser is a groundbreaking desktop machine that combines laser engraving, laser cutting, and blade cutting, making it the ultimate all-in-one tool for creatives and small businesses. With the ability to work on over 300 materials like wood, leather, vinyl, and coated metal, it's perfect for crafting everything from custom gifts to intricate designs. Its dual laser head technology ensures precise and fast cutting, with the ability to cut 10 mm wood in one pass while maintaining engraving accuracy at an ultra-fine 0.01 mm. Safety is a priority with a visible protective cover and automatic power shutoff, while a built-in fan eliminates smoke and dust for a cleaner workspace. This machine is ideal for entrepreneurs looking to create personalized items like tumblers, wedding gifts, and home decor. Its batch processing capability also makes it perfect for businesses producing custom items in bulk. Whether you're crafting unique gifts or scaling your side hustle, the xTool M1 is a game changer for precision and versatility. xTool F1 2-in-1 Dual Laser Engraver. The xTool F1 2-in-1 Dual Laser Engraver is an industrial-grade marvel designed to bring speed, precision, and versatility to laser engraving. Capable of engraving complex designs at 4,000 mm/s, this machine drastically increases productivity, making it perfect for batch production of items like metal business cards, jewelry, and pet tags. Its dual laser system handles over 300 materials, from metal to acrylic, offering unparalleled customization options. Featuring an ultra-accurate galvo system, it delivers stunning HD engraving with fine details, ensuring every project is of professional quality. The fully enclosed design with built-in smoke filtration ensures a clean and safe workspace, while its lightweight portability makes it perfect for craft fairs and pop-up shops. Easy to use with beginner-friendly software, the xTool F1 also offers auto-manual focus modes for seamless setup. Ideal for small businesses and hobbyists alike, this engraver empowers you to create standout products with efficiency and style. VEVOR Upgraded Heat Press Machine. The VEVOR Upgraded Heat Press Machine is a versatile and reliable tool for transferring stunning designs onto various surfaces. With an 8-in-1 capability, it allows you to print on t-shirts, mugs, caps, plates, and more, making it ideal for businesses and craft enthusiasts. Its 15 by 15-inch heating platen uses advanced double-tube technology to ensure even heating, delivering flawless results every time. The digital control system is intuitive, letting you switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit with ease, while the 360-degree swing-away design enhances safety and ensures even pressure distribution. Perfect for home businesses or DIY enthusiasts, this heat press is ideal for creating custom apparel, promotional items, or unique gifts. The automatic shutoff feature provides peace of mind, and its lightweight design is perfect for small spaces. Whether you're starting a printing business or enhancing your crafting toolkit, the VEVOR heat press is a dependable choice for professional quality results. Ninja FS301 Professional Maker. The Ninja FS301 Professional Maker transforms your favorite beverages into smooth, icy treats with ease. Powered by rapid chill technology, this innovative machine delivers perfectly textured frozen drinks by spinning liquids around a cooling cylinder for even freezing. With 5 preset settings and customizable temperature controls, you can create everything from slushies to frozen cocktails with precision. Its easy fill vessel ensures quick setup and effortless cleanup, while its ability to keep drinks frozen for up to 12 hours adds convenience. This machine is perfect for home use or businesses offering unique frozen beverages. Whether you're hosting a summer party or creating a signature drink for a cafe, the Ninja FS301 delivers consistent results. For those seeking healthier options, sugar substitutes can be incorporated for low-calorie frozen delights. With its sleek design and high functionality, this machine redefines the art of crafting frozen drinks. VIVOHOME 25 cm Pottery Wheel. The VIVOHOME 25 cm Pottery Wheel is a high-quality, user-friendly tool designed for ceramic enthusiasts and professionals. Its durable steel construction and 25 cm aluminum turntable provide a sturdy and spacious surface for creative projects. The advanced brush motor ensures a quiet operation with adjustable speeds up to 300 RPM, allowing for precise control during the crafting process. With a foot pedal and handle for hands-free speed adjustment, it offers a seamless experience from start to finish. Ideal for home studios, classrooms, or pottery workshops, this machine supports the complete throwing and shaping process. Safety features like an air switch and grounded leakage protection ensure reliable operation, making it a trusted choice for beginners and experts alike. Its compact design is perfect for limited spaces while maintaining professional-grade performance. Whether you're crafting functional pieces or artistic creations, the VIVOHOME Pottery Wheel is a dependable and versatile tool for pottery enthusiasts. ZONEPACK Digital Embossing Machine. The ZONEPACK Digital Embossing Machine brings precision and durability to the art of embossing. Crafted from 100% stainless steel, this robust machine ensures longevity, resisting rust and wear over years of use. Its digital temperature control allows easy adjustments up to 300 degrees Celsius, catering to various materials such as leather, wood, plastics, and paper. With stamping areas of 8 by 10 centimeters or 10 by 13 centimeters, it handles intricate designs effortlessly, making it ideal for personal and professional projects. For entrepreneurs, this machine offers immense potential. Start a custom branding service for leather goods, handbags, or stationery. Offer personalized embossing for invitations, business cards, and packaging to attract corporate and creative clients. Its versatility extends to niche markets like furniture design and bespoke gift-making, where custom embossing adds value and exclusivity. By combining high-quality output with wide applications, the ZONEPACK machine appeals to customers seeking premium finishes. Its efficiency and reliability ensure a high return on investment, making it a valuable tool for artisans and business owners alike. Hero Laser Cleaning Machine. The Hero Laser Cleaning Machine is a state-of-the-art solution for precise, non-contact cleaning. Its 100-watt high-energy pulsed laser ensures consistent cleaning quality, removing rust, paint, and other contaminants without damaging base materials. Compact and ergonomic, it supports delicate tasks, including cultural relic restoration and intricate electronic component cleaning, while its air-cooled system minimizes maintenance costs. This machine presents lucrative opportunities for businesses. Launch a mobile rust removal service for industries like automotive, shipbuilding, and manufacturing, offering on-site, environmentally friendly cleaning. Alternatively, cater to niche markets such as antique restoration or high-precision cleaning for pharmaceuticals and electronics. The Hero Laser's efficiency and safety features, such as a lightweight cleaning head and safety barriers, make it both user-friendly and reliable. Its versatility across industries ensures a wide customer base, while its durability minimizes downtime, boosting profitability. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on its advanced capabilities to deliver high-value services that set their business apart. Creality Falcon 5W Laser Engraver Machine. The Creality Falcon 5W Laser Engraver is a powerhouse of precision and productivity. Its advanced laser technology ensures detailed engravings with a spot size of just 0.06 millimeters, capable of handling intricate designs on over 200 materials, including wood, leather, and acrylic. With a large 400 by 450 mm working area and speeds up to 10,000 mm min, it balances precision with efficiency, perfect for high-volume tasks. Entrepreneurs can harness the Falcon's capabilities to start a personalized product business. Create custom gifts, home decor, or branded promotional items that stand out in competitive markets. With add-ons like rotary rollers, expand offerings to cylindrical objects like bottles and mugs, appealing to both individual and corporate clients. Its beginner-friendly design, safety features, and compatibility with popular software make it accessible to new and experienced users. Offering high-quality results and fast turnaround times, the Falcon ensures customer satisfaction while maximizing profit margins. This machine is a gateway to creativity-driven business success. VEVOR Rock Tumbler Kit. The VEVOR Rock Tumbler Kit combines innovation and ease of use, making gemstone polishing effortless for all skill levels. Powered by a belt-free direct-drive motor, it runs quietly and efficiently, even during extended use. With a 9-speed control panel and a timer, users can achieve a flawless polish on rough stones, turning them into jewelry or collectible pieces. For entrepreneurs, this kit offers an exciting entry point into crafting businesses. Create unique, polished stones for custom jewelry, home decor, or art pieces. Host workshops or sell DIY kits that include the tumbler, polished stones, and jewelry-making materials. Its reliability and precision cater to hobbyists and professionals, ensuring a broad customer base. With safety features like a high-seal chamber and power-off memory, the VEVOR tumbler ensures consistent results while minimizing disruptions. Its low noise and intuitive design enhance the user experience, making it a valuable tool for creative businesses focused on delivering high-quality, personalized products. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro delivers ultra-fast, high-quality 3D printing for professionals and hobbyists. Its auto-leveling feature and vibration compensation ensure smooth, precise prints, while its core XY structure achieves speeds of up to 600 mm per second, drastically reducing production time. Equipped with a built-in camera and dual filtration system, it ensures safety and convenience in any environment. This 3D printer is a game-changer for entrepreneurs. Start a business offering customized products such as miniatures, prototypes, or bespoke household items. cater to educational institutions with STEM-focused 3D printing workshops, or offer design-to-production services for small businesses seeking unique branding solutions. With its energy-efficient automatic shutdown and low-noise operation, the Adventurer 5M Pro is suitable for classrooms, studios, and offices. Its advanced features and user-friendly setup make it a powerful tool for scaling creative and technical ventures, enabling entrepreneurs to meet diverse customer demands with speed and precision. These 10 small machines on Amazon are more than just tools. They're opportunities to launch or expand your home business. Whether you're crafting custom gifts, designing branded products, or offering unique services, these gadgets provide endless possibilities for creativity and profit. With user-friendly features and professional-grade results, they're perfect for entrepreneurs at any level. Ready to kickstart your home business? Click the links in our review to explore these amazing machines on Amazon and take the first step toward turning your passion into profit.